Hi, I'm RJT Vargas. I'm a freelance sales copywriter, a self-published author, a storyteller, and a certified NLP practitioner recognized by the American Board of NLP Practitioners. I highly recommend Coach June Acevedo because he is a really great NLP mentor. He is very detailed with teaching us, and up till now, he's very vocal and supportive in our group chat. And if there's any favor or any questions that I could ask anytime, he would really gladly reply. It's his way of ensuring that we will live up to our potential. And now I'm proud to say that I'm living the life that I want. This is the sustainable life that I want. I have aligned clients. I can go to any events that I want to with my flexible time. I'm earning more than I prayed for before. And best of all, I also help other people find their potential and see things through with their own definition of success and happiness. So I recommend you to trust Coach Jun Acevedo because what he did in my life and in my journey, he can also do it for you.